Per Diem Metals here. We're going to do another quick unboxing of Per Diem trade-ins. So let's get to it. What is this? Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Nice. Oh, lovely. Love the way they sparkle. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow. Really nice. Simple. There we go. 1 troy ounce, 0.999. Fine silver. Absolutely perfect. Great. There we go. Nice. Is it eagle or hawk? If anyone knows for sure, let me know. It's absolutely perfect. I love these little packs. They look so beautiful. Anyway, there we go. Simple trade-in for Per Diems. Also, if you are interested in trading, let me know. Contact at perdiemmetals.com, or if you want to buy with cash, go to perdiemmetals.com and check it out. Thanks a ton.